Hello everybody and welcome to my deep dive on Boolean expressions. I'm going to use a variety of different things in Minecraft in order to explain Boolean expressions to you guys in a very deep way. I hope you guys will like it. So the first thing about a Boolean expression is that it's basically just a true or false statement, and it'll just always have two outcomes of what's going to be going on. So first things first, we have bool is day. As you guys can see, the sun's out, it's daytime, so it's showing us true because this is a daylight sensor. It's scanning if it's daytime, and then it will print out true if it's true, false if it's false. These can actually be altered to check for nighttime, so let's change it now. Now technically, instead of bool is day, we're looking for bool is night. And as you guys can tell, bool is night is false, so it will not be powering this on, setting it into the true state. So our second bool that we're going to look at is bool lever on. So obviously, whenever the lever's on, it's true, the light's glowing. Lever off, it's false, light's not glowing. Alright, third example is going to be a more complex one. It'll be bool is hungry. So this one, we can't actually use a lamp to demonstrate it. We're going to use my hunger bar right here. So first, let's make myself a bit hungry. So the way that it works is for bool is hungry, I would need to have some sort of hunger that is less than the maximum amount in order to eat. So now you guys can see I'm hungry, I can eat, but now that bool is hungry is false, I'm no longer able to eat. And then that brings us to our next topic about booleans, is you can use different operators in order to check for different things. So if you put two equal signs consecutively like this, it will check if that they are equal to each other. You can use the exclamation mark and equal sign to check for inequality. And then you can use less than or greater than and less than to compare number values. And if you would so like, you could also add in equals to both of them in order to include if the values are equal. And then the last topic about booleans that we really got to go into is you can have multiple booleans acting at once. So this one, it would be bool is day, and then you would put two of the ampersand signs. So bool is day and the lever is on. That's the only way that we'll get across this hallway. At the moment, you guys can see it is in fact daytime, so I can get past the first gate, but you can't really do much until both of them are complete. So bool is day and lever on. Now that it's true, I can pass through. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed my deep dive on Boolean expressions. And I hope it really just furthers all of your guys' knowledge on Booleans and just how it works, from just being a simple true or false to a more complex, this thing is true and this other thing is true as well. And yeah, I hope you guys have a nice day.